In manufacturing, success comes from the seamless integration of people, processes, and information. Every department, every worker, and every task is woven together to create something stronger. Weever is a connected worker platform designed to weave your organization into a single, unified system, empowering every employee from the factory floor to the front office. Whether it's reporting an issue, tracking compliance, or driving continuous improvement, Weever keeps everyone connected and aligned. Weever's highly configurable interface replaces scattered manual processes with powerful standardized and automated digital forms, workflows, and reports. With highly accessible, configurable, and easy-to-use data capture, staff are guided to effortlessly complete tasks, report issues, and attach supporting photos, videos, or eSignatures. Supervisors benefit from enhanced visibility and seamless automation, making it simple to evaluate issues and assign action items, each with its own status, due date, and comments. This ensures corrective and preventative actions are completed swiftly and that improvements are sustained over time. The staff member who originally reported the issue is updated throughout the entire process, closing the loop and driving employee engagement at every step. With Weever's automated reporting, managers have real-time access to the metrics and insights needed to continuously adapt, improve, and grow. Say goodbye to disconnected departments and unstandardized workflows. Reduce costs, unlock productivity, and realize the full potential of your workforce. From autonomous maintenance schedules and safety observations to 5S audits, quality checks, master sanitation schedules, and more, every thread of your operation contributes to a smarter, happier, and more efficient workplace. Automate and empower today with Weever. Learn more at weaverapps.com.